Hello players, welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs, coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going to break down the double kick and how to not just effectively play it, but also practice it with a set of grooves. I'm going to give you a number of grooves that you can learn and practice the double kick as you play them. And I'm even going to throw in a whole drum fill. So you have to watch it all the way to the end. I'm just saying. So first of all, if you're new here, hit the subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every single time there's a new video. If you're old here, you've not subscribed.
Come on, son.
And hit the like button. Let's try and go for some likes on this video. I'm not going to set a like goal for this video or anything, but let's try and hit the like button to boost the video, make the video a little bit more visible on the YouTube. Okay, enough waffling. Let's get into the lesson. So basically, the double kick is just a single kick that you do twice. I know it sounds obvious, but that's just what it is. It's just a single kick that you do twice. It's just that the articulation you use to do the double kick is a little different from what you use for the single kick. So we are going to break it down so you get to see exactly how it is done, down to the minute muscle movements that you need to execute to do the double kick. We'll get into this. So this is how you do the single kick, right? So in order to do the double kick, just keep in mind that you're doing up, down. Just keep in mind, up, down. So what do I mean by up, down? Your foot would be raised upwards to do the first kick. And as you drop your foot down, you do the second kick. So this is why we say it's up, down. So it ends up being one movement, but two movements in one, if that makes any sense. Up, down, up, down. So you would have to do this over and over again until it starts to feel natural. Okay, so now let's do it in real time. So we can take what we just learned and put it in a groove like this. This was just an example. After this, we are going to go through a whole bunch of grooves that have been designed to actually help your foot learn how to do the double kick. They are specialized grooves that will help you actually practice the double kick such that when you need to pull it out somewhere, it comes easily. It just hits. You don't think about it. But before we do that, let's talk about the Drum Chops Builder app. My app, I created it myself. It's amazing and it helps you to save your drum idea. So let's say you have a drum fill that comes to your mind that sounds really good in your head, but then there's no way to practice it on the drums because you're probably up and about, you're doing something. You're not near drums at that point in time. So what you do is you just pull out your phone, the Drum Chops Builder app, you compose it in the app, adjust, make changes, and save it. Then later, when you have the chance to practice it, you just open the app again, check your saved, and practice it. That's just the whole idea. And it has a whole bunch of other features that really make it a learning tool that helps you learn and develop and get better. So check it out. The link is in the description down below. Thank you so much for downloading my app and supporting this channel in the process. Let's go on with the video. So at this point, we are going to look at grooves that you can play to help you exercise your foot in that double kick motion. So this groove coming up is a good starting point for learning how to play because it's not too fast and it helps you with your articulation in a slow form because you need to learn things slow before you can learn things fast. You can't just get up and start running. It helps you do the thing and do the thing. So there's the slow version. We can speed it up a little, and it's like this. I think we can go a little faster. I think so. Okay, so this next one, we have the basic 2/4 beat, like 2 on the snare, 4 on the snare, the hi-hats, then some double kicks in there. So this is what it sounds like. And we can also make this a little faster. So this next one is a little bit more involving. It has 8 notes on the hi-hat and a little something on the snare, a little something on the kick. This is what it sounds like. The next groove is actually good for independence while still practicing the double kick. So you're doing the double kick, but the double kick is not lining up too much with your hands. So it helps you to be able to place your double kicks off your hands such that they don't depend on your hands, if that makes any sense. So this is what it sounds like. Okay, so we did a little bit of independence in the other one. Let's take it up a little bit more with the kick. This next one you've probably heard before. So this is what it sounds like with its kick and hands, or you can see all on the screen, looking glorious and delicious. This next one is not really a groove. It's not anything. I just came up with it when I was filming. You can decide to learn it or not. That's up to you. But it's wicked, you know? Sounds good. Check it out. So this is the very last of it. This is actually the drum fill. It is this exact same drum fill that I used to develop my double kicks. Now, I'm not saying my double kicks are all that, but it helped me get to where I am at this stage, even though I have like way more to go. So this is a drum fill that you can actually use in real music, and you can also use as a practice point for practicing your double kicks. So it goes like this. And as you get comfortable with it, you can speed it up a little bit, and it sounds like this. Okay, now we've learned the drum fill thingy. Let's apply it, or let's experiment with it, because it's good to experiment with stuff. We always say on the channel, you don't just lift things and place it in your music. Break it into parts and experiment with it such that you can apply it anywhere you decide to apply it. So let's experiment with this drum fill. So I hope you get something from this. This video you should definitely check out. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely check out this video. It's going to blow your mind. It's filled with so much goodness, so much deliciousness. Thank you so much for watching. Download the app. The link is down in the description below. Hit the subscribe, hit the like button. The likes really help the channel. When you hit the like button, it boosts the video and more people can see it and the channel grows and I can keep making these videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Jaystiqs and stick with it. Stick with it. Peace.